You know what nobody tells you at the dealership? The average SUV owner drops close to 10 grand a year just keeping their vehicle alive. Maintenance, surprise repairs, insurance spikes, it adds up fast. But here's what's wild. Some SUVs quietly rack up 400,000 miles, even 500,000, on nothing but oil changes and basic upkeep. No drama, no catastrophic failures, just reliable transportation that doesn't bleed your bank account dry. We're breaking down 9 SUVs that actually save you money long term, plus the 2 you should run from no matter how good the deal looks. Let's get into it. Number 9. Honda HR-V. Starting strong with the Honda HR-V, and yeah, we're flipping the list because this one deserves the spotlight first. People see the size and assume it's compromised somehow. They're missing the point entirely. This compact SUV delivers reliability that punches way above its weight class. Owners are reporting 150,000 to 200,000 miles with almost nothing going wrong. We're talking scheduled maintenance and that's it. No transmission rebuilds, no engine replacements, no electrical nightmares that leave you stranded. Insurance companies love these because they're safe and don't get stolen often. That translates directly to lower premiums every single month. And fuel economy? You're looking at numbers that make most crossovers look wasteful. The resale value stays strong because buyers know what they're getting, a vehicle that works. When you're ready to sell, the HR-V holds equity better than competitors that cost more upfront. Real talk, if you need reliable transportation without the bulk or the repair bills, this is it. If you're already rethinking what you thought you knew about SUVs, hit subscribe. AutoFusion Lab breaks down the money-saving truth dealerships won't tell you. Number 8. Honda CR-V. The CR-V earned its reputation the hard way by outlasting everything else in its class. Here's the kicker. Early 2000s CR-Vs are legitimately approaching 500,000 miles, not in some controlled test environment, on real roads, with real families dealing with real life. That's durability very few vehicles on Earth can claim. Safety scores keep insurance costs manageable, and combined fuel economy hits around 30 mpg. But the real financial win is longevity. Buy a CR-V and there's a legitimate chance you'll never need another vehicle. The handling feels more refined than the RAV4, the tech integration works consistently, and service intervals are straightforward. Mechanics see these for routine work and send them back out. No mystery issues, no parts back-ordered for months. Would you actually trust a vehicle to last 20 years? Because CR-V owners do, and the data backs them up. Number 7. Subaru Forester. Consumer Reports gave the Forester a 98 out of 100 reliability score. Let that sink in, a 98. Now, Subaru's earlier CVT transmissions had problems. We're not going to pretend they didn't. But here's what matters. Subaru fixed those issues, and current Foresters run strong when you follow one simple rule. Change the CVT fluid every 30,000 miles. Do that, and these SUVs regularly cross 200,000 miles without major powertrain work. The all-wheel drive system comes standard, which means better traction without the price premium other brands charge. Resale value stays strong because buyers recognize the Forester's reputation for durability. And if you're in a region with actual winters, the confidence of symmetrical AWD is worth the price of admission alone. Mechanics who work on these admit they're seeing far fewer problems than they did a decade ago. Subaru learned, adapted, and built something that lasts. Number 6. Mazda CX-5. Most compact SUVs feel like transportation devices, functional but forgettable. The CX-5 is different. Mazda made a critical decision that saves owners money long-term. They skipped the CVT entirely. Instead, you get a traditional 6-speed automatic that's smoother, more reliable, and way cheaper to maintain if something eventually goes wrong. RepairPal scores it at a 4.5 out of 5 for reliability, and owner reports confirm it. People are driving these well past 150,000 miles without major issues. You sacrifice a bit of cargo space compared to boxier rivals, but you gain a more premium interior feel, better driving dynamics, and lower lifetime costs. The cabin materials feel upscale for the price point, and the infotainment system actually responds when you touch it. Resale values stay competitive because the CX-5 appeals to buyers who care about more than just utility. If you're going to spend years in a vehicle, it might as well be one you actually enjoy driving. Number 5. Lexus LX. Underneath the luxury badge and leather interior sits a Toyota Land Cruiser, one of the most indestructible vehicles ever engineered. These machines routinely hit 400,000 to 500,000 miles. In some international markets, they've exceeded 1,000,000 miles with proper maintenance. The LX takes that legendary durability and wraps it in comfort you'd expect from a luxury SUV. Yeah, fuel economy hovers around 15 to 17 mpg, but here's the trade. You're not paying $3,000 repair bills like Mercedes G-Wagon owners. You're changing oil, rotating tires, and driving for decades. Depreciation barely exists. Used LX models command ridiculous prices because buyers understand what they're getting, a vehicle that outlasts mortgages. While other luxury SUVs feel expensive to own, the LX feels like an investment. Buy it once, maintain it properly, and you might never need another SUV again. Number 4. Acura RDX. Everyone chases BMW, Audi, and Mercedes. Meanwhile, the RDX quietly delivers a comparable luxury experience for thousands less, with none of the maintenance horror stories. Between 2013 and 2018, the RDX shared its powertrain with the Honda Pilot. That means Honda's proven 3.5-liter V6 and their bulletproof 6-speed automatic, wrapped in nicer materials with better sound insulation. German luxury SUVs lose value the moment they leave the lot. The RDX holds steady. A used 2013 RDX often costs less than a used RAV4, but gives you more space, better features, and genuine luxury comfort. Owners are pushing past 150,000 miles on routine maintenance alone. Insurance companies often classify it favorably too, meaning you could pay less than you would for a Ford Escape. Would you take real luxury at economy-level running costs? Because that's exactly what the RDX offers. Number 3. Honda Passport. A few years back, mid-sized SUVs started chasing trends instead of durability. Honda went the opposite direction with the Passport, and that choice is why it quietly outlasts flashier rivals. The Passport isn't trying to impress you on a test drive. It's built to survive ownership. Under the hood is Honda's naturally aspirated V6. No turbo stress, no overcomplicated hybrid systems, no experimental tech waiting to fail. This engine has been refined for years, not rushed to market, and it shows once the miles stack up. Honda paired it with a proven automatic transmission and a simplified drivetrain. Fewer moving parts, fewer failure points. Mechanics consistently report the same thing. Passports come in for routine service, not emergency repairs. Timing components last, cooling systems hold up, electrical issues are rare compared to competitors overloaded with software. Real-world ownership data backs it up. High-mileage Passports regularly cross 250,000 miles with nothing more than oil changes, brakes, and scheduled maintenance. Insurance rates stay reasonable, repair costs stay predictable, and resale values remain strong because buyers trust the badge for the right reasons. Inside, Honda skipped gimmicks, physical controls that don't glitch, infotainment that doesn't lock up mid-drive. Materials chosen for wear resistance, not showroom shine. It's the kind of interior that still feels solid years after the warranty ends. The Passport proves something important. Reliability doesn't come from innovation overload, it comes from restraint. If you want an SUV that prioritizes longevity over headlines, this is one of the smartest long-term bets you can make. Number 2. Toyota RAV4. There's a reason the RAV4 is America's best-selling SUV. Toyota figured out the formula and refuses to mess with it. Older RAV4s routinely exceed 300,000 miles without major repairs. We've seen 2010 models still running strong on original drivetrains. And because of Toyota's reputation, used RAV4s hold value like few other vehicles in the segment. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder isn't exciting, it's practical. But here's the financial reality. Buying a RAV4 isn't just about reliability, it's about equity. While most vehicles lose half their value immediately, the RAV4 behaves more like an asset. Used models often sell for almost as much as brand new competitors from other manufacturers. That's your money staying in your pocket when it's time to upgrade. Number 1. Subaru Outback. The Outback basically invented the crossover concept. Subaru took a wagon, Added rugged cladding and standard symmetrical all-wheel drive, and suddenly families had something that handled snow, dirt trails, and highway commutes without compromise. Most Outbacks cruise past 200,000 miles on routine maintenance, oil changes, brake jobs, and not much else. Some owners push them to 300,000 miles when they stay on top of service. Insurance companies favor them thanks to IHSS Top Safety Pick Plus ratings. Safer vehicle equals lower premiums, money you save every single month. The 2.5-liter isn't fast, but the 2.4-liter turbo delivers 260 horsepower without sacrificing durability. And because all-wheel drive is standard instead of an expensive add-on, there's less complexity and fewer potential failure points. The 2020 model year hits the sweet spot: modern tech, strong safety features, and proven reliability at used prices that won't destroy your budget. The two you should avoid. The Jeep Wrangler is iconic. It's also a reliability disaster. Electrical gremlins, oil leaks, suspension failures, and the infamous death wobble turn ownership into an expensive nightmare. Crash test ratings don't help insurance costs either. The Ford Explorer, especially 2010s models, looks capable on paper, but suffers from transmission failures, water pump leaks, and recalls that never seem to end. Buy the wrong year and you'll spend more time at the dealership than on the road. The smartest SUV isn't the one with the best commercials or the flashiest badge. It's the one that stays out of the shop, keeps insurance costs reasonable, and holds value for decades. A reliable SUV can save you tens of thousands of dollars over its lifetime. That's not an exaggeration, it's basic math. Fewer repairs, lower insurance, better resale value. It adds up faster than you think. So which one would you trust for the next 10 or even 20 years? Drop your answer in the comments below. And don't leave yet. Watch the video on the end screen where we expose the reliability disasters that look good until you sign the paperwork. You don't want to make that mistake. Subscribe to AutoFusion Lab if you want car advice that actually saves you money instead of costing you more.